What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, One Voice, back in the building. What another banger. You better know it. Hey, man, I'm just making a simple video on cooking seafood today. So I pretty much I'll be showing you the little rundown what you got to do to make seafood. I appreciate all y'all coming through, showing support and love, who also been on my channel, who been coming back and giving me better feedbacks every time I drop another banger. I was planning on doing a interview today, but you know how they go. You know, sometimes people had to reschedule, but today we just gonna get into it. Now, first thing you do, you see if you got hair, you need to put it in the ponytail. If y'all ain't seen my other video on cooking soul food, I think I was cooking for Thanksgiving. Please go check that out because it's another banger. So I'm gonna tell you what you're supposed to do when starting out cooking seafood. You grab all your seasons, you letting the water boil over the pot. The water is boiling right now, so we're using Old Bay, lemon pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika. You already know, gotta have that Tony. Got to have that season, that marinade. Okay, first of all, you need to go ahead and start seasoning your water that's boiling over the stove. It's your boy, One Voice. I put a little more in there, you know what I'm saying? You know, black folks love their food to be seasoned. Pepper. Lemon pepper. Okay. What else? We're gonna put that garlic powder in there. Onion powder, just a little tad bit, not too much. Paprika, it's a little spicy. And Tony. Ooh, I almost sneezed there. I almost sneezed. Now, you know what they say. If you ain't sneezing, it ain't season. I almost just, I had to control it. Okay, my water is already boiling. So, first thing I'm cooking in the seafood is eggs. All I need is 6. I don't need too many. Drop them in there. to take something to stir up, you know what I'm saying, the season, and get it real good. You know what I'm saying? What they say, look at that flick of that rib. Woo! Look at that flick of that rib. Woo! Get it real good. Get it real good. Now the eggs should be done in like 10 to 15 minutes. And I will be back with y'all. And type in the comments if you feel like you can cook better seafood than your boy One Voice. But I'll be right back with another banger. I ain't went nowhere, trust me. Also, don't let me forget to put the potatoes in there with them. So you can get you a couple. Yeah, just mini potatoes, just little minis. You don't need the big ones. You can save that time for chopping up. Eggs are done. Now you take your eggs after they done and you done peeled them. You drop them back in the water. After you put the eggs up in there, now you put the shrimp in there. Let's do it. Now it's time to put in your snow crabs. Crab legs for the ones that just say crab legs. So you take those and you put those in. All right. Then you get your corn. Get this open real quick. Now the seafood is done now. Look real good, y'all. If y'all can see that, look real good. Now you top it off with parsley flakes. And you know I got the sauce over there, so I don't even think it's gonna be a dry area because I do got the sauce over there. Act like they don't want to come out for some reason. Okay. Finishing touches. Yummy. And I forgot. One thing I forgot was the sausage. Pause. But I appreciate y'all for coming through on this video. Happy Easter to everybody. And shout out to my nephews. I got y'all ready. So, happy Easter to everybody. Shout out to my nephews once again. I love y'all. And let me know if y'all think this video was a banger. I appreciate y'all coming through. Don't forget to like, comment, and you should already be subscribed. And we gone.